The blind spot warning BSW system can help alert the driver of other vehicles in the blind spot area when changing lanes. The BSW system uses radar sensors installed near the rear bumper to detect other vehicles in the blind spot area. The radar sensors detect vehicles on either side of your vehicle within the detection zone. The detection zone starts from the outside mirror of your vehicle and extends approximately 3 meters behind the rear bumper and approximately 3 meters to the side of your vehicle. The BSW system operates above approximately 32 kilometers per hour. If the radar sensors detect a vehicle in the detection zone, the BSW RCTA indicator light illuminates. If the turn signal is then activated, the system chimes twice and the BSW RCTA indicator light flashes. The blind spot indicator light continues to flash until vehicles move out of the detection zone. There may be instances when you want to turn the blind spot warning system off. To enable or disable the system, press the button with the square on it until Settings displays. Press the up or down arrow button to select driver assistance. Now press the Enter button. Select Driving Aids and press Enter. Select Blind Spot and press the Enter button. Use the Enter button to toggle the system on or off. The RCTA system is integrated into the BSW system. When the BSW is disabled, the RCTA is also disabled. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.